This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. This gorgeous single-family home is currently being built in beautiful Newsome Farms Estates, minutes from the interstate, town center, and downtown Norfolk. Move-in ready first week of October, in time for school. This home boasts an open/airy floor plan in the main living space with large windows, natural light and gas fireplace. Adding to its character are luxury plank flooring and custom lighting packages. The gourmet kitchen with 42 soft close cabinets, granite countertops, an island perfect for two, stainless steel energy-efficient appliances and standalone dining room. The second living level has 3 spacious bedrooms, a full bath, and a laundry room. The master suite is a crowning feature in this model with double vanity sinks and granite countertops, quarry tile, his and her walk-in closets, plus a tub and standalone shower.